So I got this new cinema lens and feeling like a DP. So I jump in a lime with some family I haven't seen in years. We went in some house in the bush with a nice small stream. The kids loving it. I don't know the name, but was cool. This family love to cook and pack food before they eat. They see big camera and start to do all kinds of thing. I don't know what is this man seen, but smalls. This man need to pull up his pants though. We decide to hike to this waterfall. I tried to take a shot of this sign, but this Gen Z was not having it, seeing all kinds of crazy shit in the bush. This man nearly fall. I asked my wife to do a steady shot while I was walking. So time for some FPV, cinematic reel incoming. We reached back and all in all was nice. The cinema lens. I could not test out much, but for the money, it's great value. This bald head man could real curry. Time to edit this.